rain to come.
Meteorologist Amber Wheeler has your first alert to a tropical disturbance in the Gulf likely to bring even more storms.
That's right. We're giving you the first alert that we've got better chances for some rain towards the end of the week and possibly taking us into the weekend. There's a weak Gulf low that's going to be hanging out in the Gulf. It's going to bring heavy rain at times and coastal flood concerns. Now today, the rain that we got was very spotty. We saw anywhere between a ½ inch to an inch and a half, even an area down towards Port Fourchon that got a really lower Terrebonne Parish that saw about 3 inches. But some of us got missed, others seeing some brief heavy downpours. But this all had movement from the east here, and we certainly could still see a few showers. As you can see, a few more moving in from the east. Won't be so widespread, but you still could see some showers into the evening hours. A lot of this is light to moderate rain. We did have some heavy rain that earlier moved through Houma as well. Looking at the city here, we did have some heavy rain that moved through, but that has since moved off towards the river parishes as light rain. And then on the North Shore, just a few scattered showers here moving through Washington Parish, a few through Tangipahoa Parish, but a lot of us are dry on the North Shore. So here are the models showing how this is going to be real spotty heading into tonight. A lot of this will eventually start to wane into tomorrow morning. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to pull in a little drier air, and we've got mostly our storm potential staying a little farther to the south. Doesn't mean we're not going to see some come up towards the city here, but I think your better chances are going to be down towards the south here heading into the afternoon on Thursday. It's Friday that we're going to start seeing more influences from that Gulf flow. You'll notice that we already have picked up on the models here some rain bands, and that's going to be your tropical moisture that can give you that rain that could pile up rather easy. Notice that there's some areas that could get missed, but we've got those rain bands that will move through on Friday and possibly on Saturday. So here's where that is right now. This is really getting a lot of wind shear influence. It's over some warm water, so it's going to try to get its act together, but the wind shear might just win out. The National Hurricane Center not even highlighting this one, but it's coming with a lot of deep tropical moisture, and you can see that here with these blues. This is what's going to lift towards us. There's some of that dry air kind of helping to cut off those rain chances on Thursday, but notice on Friday and Saturday that lifts over us. And if we get this low to lift a little farther to the north, that could give us some pretty decent rain there on Saturday as well. So deep moisture moving in, tropical rains certainly likely for many on Friday and Saturday, and we could keep that rain potential into Sunday. How much rain are we talking about? Well, of course, every day I use this map. It does not want to work at this time, but hopefully it'll pop up for you. You can see here the bullseye. There we go. The bullseye's out down over the Gulf there. But some of that moisture, that tropical moisture, going to fall in line and move towards us 2 to 4 inches. Now, this is a broad brush approach, so you still could see some areas under some of these bands that could see more than this, but generally speaking, this will be around 2 to 4 inches with lower amounts on the North Shore. But we do have that flood threat for Saturday and Sunday, a low-end flood threat. The winds are also going to be a factor here. So right now we're seeing some strong winds out of the east. They're gusting tomorrow up to about 30 and 35 at times, the strongest in our coastal areas. But because it's going to be pretty persistent out of the east, that's what's giving us that coastal flood concern. You can see here this model picking up on maybe that low coming a little closer, giving us some stronger winds as we get into Friday, really helping to exacerbate that flood concern. And as we get into Sunday, rather, through really Saturday, if this low moves to the north, it will shift our winds and they'll come from the south here. This is when we would be pulling in more moisture from the south, more rain. But here's our coastal flood advisory, all for our eastern facing shorelines. 1 to 2 feet tidal rise expected. I've been looking at some gauges here. I think we're in minor flood stage in the Waveland area and also in Shell Beach. So we're coming into high tide in Shell Beach. I just wanted to show you this one here. We now have moved into that minor flood stage in Shell Beach. And I think tomorrow when we get into our high tide tomorrow, we're likely to be in a minor flood stage again with that high tide. Again, that's from that persistent east wind. Here's your forecast for the next week, giving you that first alert for Friday and Saturday, watching those days to be maybe stormy, maybe a washout for some. So make sure you're paying attention and just checking in with us. If you watch us once a day, maybe check in with us twice a day, because things are changing and we want to get you prepared for anything. It's not going to be a super high impact system. That's not what it looks like, but it could give you some rain that could